got loyalty, got royalty inside my DNA.
What's going on, ShoeTube? It's your man Dr. Kicks coming at you live with another unboxing segment on my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you to all the new subscribers. Thank you to everybody who has continued to support in my journey to unbox things on this channel with all of you. I really appreciate the support. I appreciate the love and the feedback that I've been getting. This will be the first video in a series of 4, so if you see me in the same outfit, know your boy is not dirty. I keep it fresh. You already know how I do. But I will be shooting these videos back to back to back to back, so I won't have time to change, or it won't be on different days. A new segment for this channel, what we're going to be doing is we're unboxing a Soul Steals mystery hype box. This is the first of its kind on this channel. You guys may be familiar with the concept through other YouTubers like SB Mitch or Untied Hawaii, but pretty much what the concept is, this is a box filled with a bunch of mystery hype items ranging from Bape to Supreme. I think actually so far all I've seen is Bape and Supreme, maybe Antisocial Social Club I think I've seen in 1 or 2 boxes. So if you're new to my channel, what I do for every beater box unboxing is show a pair from my personal collection. But since this is a first of its kind, a mystery hype box unboxing, I'm gonna show a little hype unboxing, but I'm gonna show a little sneak peek. So if you guys are familiar with the box, you know what it is, but tune into the next video and I'm gonna be unboxing that live on my channel so you can see what that is. So without further ado, let's get into the mystery hype box. The value of this mystery hype box was actually the platinum tier. So Soul Steals does 4 tiers with a platinum, a gold, a silver, and a bronze. This was actually the first iteration of theirs when the platinum was $2,000. Now I think the platinum is $1,500. So this Soul Steals mystery hype box was $2,000. So let's dig in. First item out is this ASSC, Antisocial Social Club hoodie. Another thing with these mystery hype boxes, you can customize them. So you can select what size you want for the tops, the bottoms, what shoe size you want, and if you want more shoes and more clothing. So this is, the first item is Antisocial Social Club. Looks like one of their generic hoodies with their kind of wavy logo with a camo print. That's pretty cool. Also, all of the things that you see in this hype box or anything else from my channel will be for sale. I'll link all of the places where you can purchase these items directly through my eBay or Grailed or directly through my PayPal. Next up, it looks like we have a Bape Shark hoodie. This looks like it is one of the old ones, and I think this is dead stock. It looks to be in dead stock condition. Pretty nice hoodie. Next up, we have a Supreme bag. This is a nice cop right here. This is the Supreme box logo sweatshirt, the all black. I think this is from fall winter 2016, if I'm not mistaken. This is a size large. This is worn, but gently worn, in good condition. So unfortunately, you guys know box logo hoodies only go for about $10 to $15, but the Supreme bag goes for about $850 to $900. So this is a pretty good purchase. I'm just playing with you guys, but with the way that Supreme hype is going, you never know. These bags might be worth something, and so maybe you can flip it for some profit. But yeah, this is a pretty good pickup. Should probably be able to get anywhere from like $850 to $900. We'll see. I'll put it up on my eBay. We'll see what we can get, because I don't think I'm going to keep this. First accessory is this Supreme Polar Tech headband. This is in a pink colorway. This is dead stock. This is a pretty good get. I think these are going on stocks for like maybe 60 to 70 bucks, something like that. So it's definitely something. And then that last accessory was this Supreme toothbrush. So this little travel size toothbrush. I'll probably be keeping this at home because, you know, you gotta stunt while you brush your teeth, gotta keep it flossy. Next up, we have 2 shoes. The first looks like a Vans shoe, so let's see. Okay, I already know what this is. These are dope. This is the Vans Fear of God collection, the marshmallow, the lows right here. Size 12, dead stock. These are definitely a sought after shoe when they drop. This is a pretty recent drop. This shoe I could probably get anywhere from $550 to $600, I'd say, for this one. And then last up, see, we got this 350 boost box, which you guys are all too familiar with. And we got a pair of zebras. Size 12. They are dead stock, still have the tag, unworn condition. These are a pretty nice pair, but I'm actually not that into Yeezy. I'm more of a Jumpman kind of guy, so I will probably be moving on from these. And this is also a pretty good get. You can get anywhere from about $525 to $550 for zebras right now. So just doing the quick math in my head, I would say this box is definitely profitable. I will have the estimated prices and profit potential in the end of this video, so definitely stay tuned for all that. Thank you so much for tuning in. It's your man, Dr. Kicks, and I'm preaching one love. Love you guys. Take it easy.